Hello learners. Now we're going to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta when it is given that alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. So here we will have some standard things. Since alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, comma alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a, and alpha beta is nothing but c by a. Now you might be wondering how this is true, how did this come up? I'll explain to you. Since this is a first question, I'll take things in detail. See, previously we had learned that the quadratic equation containing, okay, let me just put it down. The quadratic equation equation with alpha comma beta as its roots is x square minus x times alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. If you remember, I taught you this for the previous section, right? Now we have, now what do we have actually? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now try to compare these two coefficients, okay? Now try to compare these two equations, sorry, not coefficients, equations. See, uh, here the coefficient of x square is 1. That means beside x square there is just 1, but here we have a. So what I'm going to do is, so that these two equations will match, I'm going to divide this second equation with a, okay? Then I'd be left out with ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is nothing but equal to 0. This basically means that x square plus b by a times x plus c by a is nothing but equal to 0. Okay. Now compare, this equation number 1 and equation number 2. By comparison, what we'll get, see, now it's matching. The coefficient of x square is now 1 in both 1 and 2. Now observe the coefficient of x in the first equation. It is not alpha plus beta, it is minus of alpha plus beta. So therefore, minus of alpha plus beta will be nothing but equal to, what is the coefficient of x here? B by a. It's nothing but b by a. Therefore, alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. Okay. Now next, now compare the constant term. Here you have alpha beta and here you have c by a. Therefore, I'd get alpha beta is nothing but c by a. See, whatever I have given till now, okay, from this part, from the quadratic equation with alpha beta and roots till here, this you need not write in exam. I've given this to you so that you can understand how alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by a. Just this understanding. Now in this question, what we need to find? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Now let's go into it. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Now if I'll take LCM, I'll get alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Now this is nothing but, what is our alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. So this should be nothing but minus b by a whole divided by, what is alpha beta? C by a. C by a. Now this would be nothing but minus b by a times a by c. Okay, the denominator will come like it will become ulta. You will have reciprocal, minus b by into reciprocal of c by a. So that is nothing but minus b by a by into c by a, minus b by a into, sorry, minus b by a times a by c. So this would be nothing but a will get cancelled. I will be left out with minus b by c. That's it. Thank you. So in case if you like this solution, please give a thumbs up, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do subscribe it.